Hi guys, good morning and welcome to another vlog. So today is going to be a day in my life, just a random day in my life. Nothing is planned as such. I just wanted to pick up my camera and start filming. So this morning I actually got my blood work done, a blood test, just a regular full body checkup, nothing serious. So that's how my morning started. Now I'm going to do a quick snack haul for you guys. Most of these are from Amazon. There's just one item which I got from Big Basket, but other than that everything I got from Amazon. So the first one are these fruit pebbles. So basically it's a cereal. I've never had this in my life, but it looked so interesting. It was so colorful. It's definitely not healthy. I don't know how kids are allowed to eat this because I'm sure it's going to be super sweet, but I just thought it's so interesting just to try it out. So this is what actually we're going to be having for breakfast. Next up we got Dipsters ke packet. These are chocolate dip with biscuit sticks. So you might have tried the Dipster ke crackers with the same chocolate sauce. I used to recommend that quite a lot back in the day, and a lot of you guys have bought it on my recommendation. I thought I'm just buying one, but just look how many I ended up buying. There's more, by the way. The next snack I have tried, I think this is the only thing that I've tried from all the other things. So basically these are the best cup noodles ever. These are by this brand called Cup Noodles only, and ye veggie mancha flavor is so freaking good. Like, I discovered this when I was in Goa, and on the last day when we were heading to the airport, I just picked this up and had this in the cab to the airport, and everyone would not leave me alone, would not let me finish this on my own. Everyone wanted a bite continuously, and that's just how good it is. So just in case you were looking for instant cup noodles on the go ke liye, obviously it's not for every day, but kabhi kabhar chalta hai. Now this is a recommendation by you guys. So this is the Jalani's Pani Puri Magic Kit. So this is supposed to have everything in here. It has the puris, it has the teen type ka pani, pudina pani, khatta meeta pani, chatpata lasun pani, and also khajur imli chutney. So it has everything. I'll just probably need to boil some potatoes and some sprouts, and then I think I should be good to go. So this is what we're gonna have for dinner, so stay tuned. You are supposed to fry the puri, so we'll do that as well. Then we have some tahina. This isn't a snack, but it's something to make hummus. Like, you can add this in your hummus, and it's supposed to add a lot of flavor. I haven't ordered hummus in a while. Like, if you know me, you know I love hummus from the Beirut, and this is supposed to make your hummus taste really nice. So we can definitely try that out in one of the future vlogs. So I just picked this up. Then we have some cheese popcorn seasoning. So I don't really like to use Actu, because जो Actu में oil होता है ना, वो मेरे throat को बहुत अजीब कर देता है. Like, it gets very sensitive because of the oil. So I prefer making it with like the regular popcorn kernels. तो उसमें flavoring add करने के लिए I got this cheese popcorn seasoning. And the last thing that we have, I've already eaten it more than halfway. We have some hot Cheetos. Got these from Amazon. They were on like a huge sale. I think these on Amazon retail for 800 rupees, but I got them for I think 400, like 50% off, which is still very expensive. I know, I'm aware of it, but बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम हो गया था मुझे खा के, so I just picked one up for myself, and I think that's basically it for all of my snacks. I'm going to quickly go pour myself some milk and have some cereal. By the way, I'll link everything that I spoke about, like all the snacks, in the description box below. Okay, so I've served my breakfast. It looks actually very pretty and very interesting. It would make for like really cute pictures. But let's just do a quick taste test. This also has some like marshmallows, so I'll pick one up. It's very sweet. I can taste lots of food coloring. I do like it. It's growing on me for sure. Wouldn't have it every day, of course, but kabhi kabhar I think it's pretty good. So done with breakfast. That was so sweet. Like, by the end of it I needed to chug like a big glass of water. Aditya would love this. But I think that's basically it for my breakfast. Now I'm just gonna start planning my next few days. So I have my planner right here and my pouch. So that is basically everything that I need in order to plan. There's honestly no like method to the madness. It's very straightforward. I basically just plan ahead my entire week and just like start writing my to-dos. Yahan pe I've been like struggling a lot. I think the whole of May, actually not just the past 2 days, May has been just a weird month for me in terms of like content. So I'm just like going through it. But basically what I'll do, I would say in the last week of the month, so abhi jaise last week of May chal raha hai, I'll sit down and write all my ideas for June. I feel like doing this helps me so much, like writing down all the 10 video ideas that I have for June, and then I plan them and spread them out across the month. When I make these vlogs, this is not what my everyday looks like. I hope you guys understand that. It by no means looks like this. I try to pack a lot of stuff into the vlog so that it's interesting for you guys. Like I make it very upbeat and like go, because there needs to be some content for you guys to watch, right? I too have days where I just sit in my bed and just scroll through YouTube and do nothing and feel bad about myself by the end of the day. I do get a lot of comments saying that you're so productive, you're so hardworking, while yeah, I am some days, but not every single day. Yeah, that was my TED talk. I'm just gonna get done with planning because I do need to film, I think आज तो figure out कर लेते हैं. Now I'm just gonna quickly go and get a little bit ready because I need to film a video for tomorrow. I have 3 videos pending for this month, so I need to get that done for sure. So it's gonna be, I don't think it's gonna take me more than an hour to film this video, so I'm gonna get it out of the way. It took me less than 1 hour to film this, but I think that's it. Abhi I'm gonna go. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. It's only 11:30 at this point. Being like waking up early in the morning is the best thing ever. Like productivity in the morning is so good. I will end up being a permanent morning riser soon. Abhi filhal I'm a part-time morning riser. Like I'll wake up like 2 or 3 times a week early in the morning when I need to like get stuff done. Otherwise I wake up really late. But we're getting there. We will get there one day. Thanks. So right before that mishap, I was telling you guys that I'm just gonna chug a bunch of water. Instead, I ended up dropping it, which is fine. I anyway needed to change my bed sheets. I was procrastinating since the last 2 days, so I have no bahana. I have to change my bed sheet. But abhi I'm just gonna go clean from the shoot, like the mess that I created, and then I think I'm gonna start editing the video and maybe even upload it today itself. I think it could be possible because lunch I don't need to make today. My mom's made lunch, so I'm free, like relatively free, so we can do that. Okay, so this is my current desk situation. I'm using my vanity as a desk. So we have my LED neon sign, we have my beautiful frames, laptop, AirPods. So I need my AirPods abhi because I don't know what I've done to my laptop. I cannot hear, like on loud kuch bhi nahi sunai deta hai, so I have to wear my AirPods. I don't know what I did. Having some nuts, dry fruits abhi while editing. This cute little plant which my mom gave me, and we have a mirror which is basically showing mere room ki asliyat. I've kept this here so that I can look at myself and be narcissistic while working. No, I'm just kidding. It's just here for the aesthetics. It just looks cute. I got it from West Side, by the way. But yeah, time to edit. Guess what? I'm done with the edit in like an hour. I think it took me less than an hour. What? I'm done. I can upload this today. This is so good. So today is the day when the Friends reunion is broadcasted. So while we speak, I can actually watch it, like it's live, but I'm keeping that as like a treat for me to watch at the end of the day. It's very difficult for me to do that. And I tend to like not watch series, that you guys know. I try to watch YouTube videos only because I know that I'm supposed to watch just like one YouTube video while having lunch or dinner, and then I stop. Otherwise I go on like a binging spree, and that is not good for productivity. So I'm just gonna go have lunch very quickly, and then what am I supposed to do after that? We'll figure. So it's lunchtime. I'm having some lunch and also just catching up on Anandita's vlogs. So I'm done with lunch, and before I get on with the rest of my day and just like shoot and edit and all of that, I did want to sit down and do a small segment. So basically I want to start doing these small little segments of videos which I wouldn't film otherwise. So for example, for today I'm going to be reacting to my old images, Facebook images, which you guys have actually never ever seen. So I would never really make like an entire dedicated video about it because I feel like I don't have enough pictures for an entire video, but I do have enough for this small little segment. So the first image is from 2009. This is when I was in the US, and this is actually one of my, I think this was the second image that I ever posted on Facebook. I think it does look like me for sure. Just look at what I'm wearing, the mini skirt with the stockings and then the weird scarf. So this is a cute image. Then the next image is I think 2 or 3 years later ka. That's Siddhi, if you couldn't tell. We had gone for some school picnic which was a horrible trip. Like I have the worst memories and the worst stories from that trip. It was so drama filled and there was so much like politics and it was just bad. This is one of the images from that. Then we have one image with my cousin sister Kashish. I think most of you know who Kashish is. She looks so different. Just look at her here. She was shorter than me. So this was a while ago. Now she's really tall. And also the wall that you see in the background is actually ये room ही जहाँ पे मेरा wardrobe है ना, वहाँ पे एक wall, plain wall हुआ करती थी जिसपे ये बहुत ही ugly art किया था Asian Paints या किसी ने, I don't remember. It was actually quite trendy that time to do like wall, textured wall and stuff like that. So that was my pink room. तभी my room used to be extremely pink, like everything was pink, and this entire wall was also like hot pink. Yeah. Okay, so the next image, this is I think where I started, like my puberty started hitting me and thoda sa transformation hona shuru ho gaya tha. I remember when I posted this image, I got a lot of attention from boys from my school, and that's me and my mom, by the way, if you couldn't tell. So this was taken in Mauritius, I'm pretty sure, and I had the cutest skirt ever, like the white skirt that I'm wearing right now. It was full crochet ka skirt. I wish I kept that skirt. Like it stopped fitting me, so I probably donated it, but it was so cute. I should have like kept it. Favorite image ever. This is back from my fashion blogger days. My mom used to take all of my pictures. This one also my mom has taken, and I think this is my favorite photo shoot that she's done, and also my favorite outfit that I've like put together. It's so cool. Like I would still wear this till date. Hopefully I will this year. Let's see, we'll see. This was taken in Spain, I'm pretty sure, and a really fun story. So it was I think 1 degree or 2 degree or probably even minus, maybe I'm exaggerating, but it was really cold, okay? And I was wearing this mini skirt with thin stockings, okay? So what I would usually do is that I know that I get really cold in my arms. पाँव में मुझे इतनी ठंडी नहीं लगती somehow. ये black top के अंदर I had worn like 4 layers inside, like एक thermal पहना था, फिर एक black full sleeves top, एक और black full sleeves top, and one more thing I had worn, and then I wore this black top, and then I had my trench coat on top. Like I had layered like crazy, and then skirt के अंदर I had worn shorts, thick shorts, and then stockings to thigh, and then under my thigh high boots, not thigh high, knee high boots, I wore like 3 socks underneath. But जो बीच का पैच था पूरा thighs का area, literally it was so bad. Like I don't know what I was thinking. I would probably do it again, to be very honest. The next image is my baby image. Actually मुझे सबसे पहले दिखानी चाहिए थी, but this is a very very cute family picture that we have. By the way, that is me. Most people think that it's not me. It is me. I was actually a very very fat child, a very healthy baby, but then eventually I just became super super thin. I was actually called Ladu in Gujarati. That's my dad. That's my mom with her fringe, which are so cute. ये किसी की तो शादी में लिया था, and I am also wearing like the cutest क्या बोलते हैं, लहंगा with a blouse, cute blouse. Look at my rolls side में. I was so cute. I look so petrified. So yeah, those are all the pictures that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this small mini segment. Chalo, so I'm just gonna go and continue with my day. Checking in after roughly 1 hour, I would say so. Made myself some haldi water, which is a must after filming. Even though I didn't talk today. No, I did. हाँ, talking video ही था. And masking is also a must. In general, for me, masking is a must. But especially after a filming day, it's a necessity. So I cleaned my room. Bedsheet बदल दी, सब कुछ clean कर दिया. And अब I'm just gonna take it slow. Like I'm gonna relax for an hour roughly. Still not gonna watch Friends. That's gonna be for the end of the day. अभी तक working hours चल रहा है, so I'm just gonna sip on my water and also figure out a new book that I want to read because I'm done with the previous book that I was reading, so I need to start a new one. So I'm just gonna look around and see what interests me. This is the face mask that I use, just in case you were curious. By the way, the background, you're probably wondering where is this. This is my parents' room, which is why you've like never seen this.
2 hours later.
Okay, so now I'm going to go and prep my dinner because I just want to get it out of the way. And also my dad starts like cribbing at 8 because he gets hungry and hangry actually, so I just want to get it out of the way. I also need to do a little bit of cleaning, so I just need to switch on the Robo. I showed you that Robo in my favorites, April favorites, and it's a lifesaver. उसके अलावा I just need to unload the dishwasher. और कुछ है? I think that's it. बस उतना ही करना है. So just wrapped up with dinner. We also ended up playing some cards, Uno. This is called Uno Flip. I will link it down below for you guys. I think it's for like 200 rupees. You have to buy this game. It's mind-blowing. Mansi and Sahil introduced us to this game and we've been hooked. And my parents and I also have been playing this, I would say, every other day, and we really enjoy the game. So definitely check it out. Uske alawa kya, I need to rate the Pani Puri. So I personally would rate it 7 out of 10. My mom rated it 8 out of 10, and my dad was not having it. He rated it 6 out of 10. So I would say it's not the yummiest for sure. It's not the yummiest, but it's not bad. Like if you're having a pani puri craving and if you don't want to go through the hassle of making the pani puri ka pani and then the green red chutney and all the like different condiments, just buy this pack. You're sorted. But it's not like super yummy where it's gonna satisfy, you know, the road wala pani puri. That's not gonna happen, but it's okay, it's not bad. So on a more serious note, I was actually having a conversation with my mom. So if you don't know, my mom works with the Cancer Patients AIDS Association. It's an NGO which has been around for almost 50 years or over 50 years, and they've been doing a great job for years at this point. So she was just telling me about all the cancer patients and what their situation looks like because of COVID. A lot of people have lost their jobs. They don't have food, they don't have like basic ration, khana pina khane ke liye. They can't pay their electricity bill. So I thought I should actually just bring her here and just let her speak, because she's been in touch with a lot of cancer patients herself and she knows what they're going through. So I just thought if she could speak for a few minutes, I feel like us as a community could help the people who are really in need of help at this point of time.
Hi, I'm Bhavna Sharma.
And what is your profession? What do you do by profession? My mom is a little, I just woke her up from her sleep to come talk about this, but she's a biotechnologist. Molecular biologist, and she's working with an NGO which I just mentioned previously, which is called
Cancer Patients AIDS Association.
Correct. So I was just, sorry to cut you, but I was just telling them what you were telling me previously, and I wanted to ask you one very straightforward question. What is it that people can do in order to help?
A lot of help is required. So you all can donate,
and when we say donate, you can literally donate even 100 rupees, because if 100 of you donate 100 rupees, that's 10,000 rupees, which can, I would say, at least help 5 families minimum. A minimum of 5 families. So if you can donate only, even if it's just 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 50 rupees, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below, so you can definitely go and donate. Anything other than that, so for example,
so you can sponsor 1 month ration.
Yeah.
2 months ration or some medicines,
Yeah.
or some amount for a patient, like you can adopt a patient also.
Yeah. So, and other than that, if you know someone who has cancer and can't afford to get the treatments or doesn't know how to go about it, I will still link their website down below. You do help people with that as well, right?
Yes.
So yeah, that's basically all that we wanted to say. I'm gonna leave a link down below. Please contribute whatever you can. Forward this link also to as many people as you can.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So रात हो गई है अभी, and just for context, it is 11:30 right now. मेरे सारे like tasks हो गए आज के दिन के लिए. Most of my to-do list is checked, which is pretty good. Before I end the vlog, actually, I want to insert a clip that I'll be taking day after. Of me like taking pictures for my 400k. We have 3,99,353 subscribers, so approximately 700 more subscribers to go, which is very exciting. So I'll be taking like a cute photo shoot. I don't know abhi kitna cute turnout hoga, we'll see, but I just thought I would insert that clip here. So it's the next day and I'm gonna take my 400k image. The balloons have arrived from Amazon. In case you want them, I will link them down below. They're much smaller than I thought. I should have actually measured the measurements that were mentioned in the description of the balloon. I'll just make them bigger Photoshop pe. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wear a white robe. I'm gonna keep this white clip in my hair and just sit on my blue couch and take the image. Oh, and also there were supposed to be 5 zeros, right? I, like an idiot, 2 मैंने फोड़ दिए 3 फोड़ दिए नहीं 2 फोड़ दिए और एक खराब आया already, so I only have 400 left. So I'm gonna take that image. So these are the only 3 that I have, and then they gave me one different color, like the pink doesn't match, so it doesn't make sense for me to add it. So I'm just gonna Photoshop the other 3 zeros. Okay, photo le liya. I'm gonna pop it up here on the screen so that you guys can see it. So I need to add 3 zeros. I'm also going to change the color of the couch and make it pink. And I think that's basically it. Yeah, you'll see it on Instagram. Probably you might have seen it before this vlog goes up. I don't know, might or might not, we'll see. So finally it's that time of the day where I get to chill and I get to do whatever I want to do. So I'm finally going to be watching Friends. Finally, it's 12 o'clock and I will watch Friends and then I'll go to sleep because kal subah bhi I have to wake up really early. Tomorrow is going to be a really hectic day. Excited about watching Friends ka reunion. But there was one thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about. By the way, this angle is not flattering whatsoever, but I'm very tired. It was about this playlist that I've been listening on YouTube. So basically it's just a playlist, lo-fi music ka playlist, Bollywood music, and that is something that has been helping me stay calm. Like, I'm not even kidding, I've been feeling so anxious the past few days. I think I mentioned about that earlier in the morning, and this really helps me keep calm because it kind of distracts your mind and the music is so like soothing and it's very aesthetic. I will link a few of my favorite YouTube videos that I listen to. They're like 30-minute long videos, so when you're getting something done, like either you're cleaning your room or if you're doing some sort of task, it'll keep you occupied and it'll keep your mind also calm. Otherwise, you know, your mind tends to go in like weird places and you start to overthink. If you're like me, you can relate. So I will recommend checking out this music for sure. After 1 hour of jugaad trying to ask everyone passwords, I just bought it myself and now I'm watching it. Talk to you later.
The next day.
It's the next morning. I forgot to end the vlog last night, so I'm just gonna do it right now. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I think it was a medium-sized vlog, but an interesting one, I hope. Let me know. And that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.